Run post-install script. SSH to the OVA installer and run the postinstall.py script, which is pre-embedded in the installer VM. You can use a PuTTY session or type in the IP address of the installer VM MSSH in your web browser. It will bring up the web-based CLI screen. The script is preset to specify the cluster IP address. Enter the root level login credentials for the controller VM. Enter the vCenter username and password. The system will automatically find the data center and the cluster that you created during installation. Type in to enter the vSphere license key. Type Y to enable HA DRS. DRS is applicable only if you have Enterprise or Enterprise Plus editions. Type Y to disable the SSH shell warnings in VC. And type Y to configure the ESXi logon to the HX data store. If no data stores are found, the script will create one. Type a name and specify the size. Type Y to add vMotion interfaces. Enter the net mask, the VLAN ID, and the vMotion IP and VM kernel for each server. This will add the vMotion configurations for each host in your cluster. Type Y to configure VM network port groups for any additional VLANs if needed for your environment. Enter the UCSM password. Enter a port group name. And enter a VLAN ID. This adds a new VLAN to the FI and to the VNIC templates for VM network and creates a network for the ESX environment. You can check the networking configuration in the web client. Type in if you don't want any additional VLANs. You can run the script later if you need to create more VLANs for the VM network. Next, type Y to enable NTP service on all the ESX hosts. Type Y to send a test email and enter an external email account to receive that test email. This completes the post-install script and initiates a health and configuration check. Enter the passwords for UCSM and ESX. After logging in, it will ping across all the network interfaces to ensure fabric reachability, set correct tagging of VLANs including jumbo configurations, and it'll also give a network summary. You should see a No Errors Found message and that the cluster is healthy.